हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू सफलता बैच क्लास 43। आज हमारी 43rd क्लास है। इससे पहले की सारी क्लासेस आप प्लेलिस्ट से ज़रूर ले लीजिए। आज हम लोग एक जनरल मैटर लिखने वाले हैं, सो इसको स्टार्ट करते हैं। गेट रेडी, 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। सर, टुडे वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द पॉपुलेशन प्रॉब्लम। द पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ इज नॉट ड्यू टू any higher increase in the birth rate. The fact is that there has been a decrease in the death rate. Birth rate has also decreased, but the death rate has decreased much more. Whatever we have to do, we shall do, and we shall continue to take all such measures to see that people do not die, and therefore the pressure on the population will continue for some time. Whatever we do, I am really amazed and rather pained at the large number of foreign experts and advisors coming here and trying to advise us. Para. One of them came and told me only a few months ago, don't you think that the only remedy for your well-being and your good is to stop the growth of population and have a zero growth here? I urged that we cannot treat our people as animals, therefore this problem will remain in some form, so we have to think about how we are not going to solve the problem. I am sure after a time the population will stabilize itself. The growth rate will not be as high as today. But all that we may do, our safety measures, health measures, will result in a lower and lower that rate. Therefore, the population problem will remain a problem with us for some time to come. Para. Then what should be our strategy? That is what we have to think. I have just indicated the lines on which we have to think. It is not the time to go into the question, but I will not get any opportunity to talk about these things, and I must say it here. I am wondering today, I wish I could talk about these things in detail. But with the restrictions on freedom of expression, I doubt whether I can speak even on economic issues as to what should be done freely and frankly. Para. Sir, I am very much pained at time in foreign newspapers that India is not fit for democracy. Some of them are saying that, do you think it is any good to hear because under Gandhiji's leadership we fought for democracy, and to be told by these foreigners who, while leaving us in 1946, said that our democracy will not function and that we will not be able to manage our affairs, to be told today and to see many of our own people coming round to the view that democracy is not suited to us. The India of my dreams, of Gandhiji's dreams, seems to be receding. Para. I want to urge that if the delicate plant of democracy is to subsist, you can do whatever you want for your administrative reasons, etc. I do not want to quarrel with it. I do feel that unless we maintain a system where there is freedom of expression, this country cannot progress. What to say of democracy existing? Therefore, I want to urge the Prime Minister to sit here with all the sincerity that I possess. The need of immediate restoration of freedom of expression. I want to say this also because I began as a journalist. I earned my living as a journalist from 1925 onwards. I worked in the National Herald, of which the chief editor was Shri Jawaharlal Nehru, and we fought against all restrictions on the freedom of expression by the Aline government in those days. Stop. तो ये हमने एक जनरल मैटर लिखा है। स्टार्टिंग में स्पीड जो 105 के अराउंड थी, बीच में 115 120 थी और लास्ट में 110 के अराउंड थी। तो 3 फ्लक्चुएट करके हमने इस मैटर को लिखा है। एग्जाम में भी आपको इसी टाइप का मैटर जो है वो सुनने को मिलेगा। अब मैं इसी मैटर से रिलेवेंट आपको जनरल वर्ड्स का डिक्टेशन लिखा रहा हूँ। सो गेट रेडी, 3 2 1 स्टार्ट। डेमोग्राफिक, पॉपुलेशन, ग्रोथ रेट, बर्थ रेट, डेथ रेट, पॉपुलेशन कंट्रोल, census data, expression rights, communication, opinion, diversity, public dialogue, press freedom, information access, voice empowerment, participation, cultural exchange, idea sharing, societal evolution. Stop. तो ये जनरल वर्ड्स हमने लिख लिए हैं। इसके अलावा अब इसको आप जो है आप पहले ट्रांसक्राइब करिए, अपनी गलतियों को चेक करिए, उसके बाद में अपनी गलतियों को कमेंट करके बता दीजिए। इसके अलावा साथ ही में जितने भी लीगल वर्ड्स हैं वो सारी क्लासेस पहले की क्लासेस में कवर अप हो रखे हैं, तो उनको ज़रूर अटेंड कर लीजिए। और अगर आप राजस्थान हाई कोर्ट का एग्ज़ाम देने वाले हो तो प्रकाश बैच से सारी क्लासेस को अटेंड कर लीजिए। आज की क्लास यहीं पर एंड होती है। आपको कोई भी डाउट हो या क्वेरी हो तो उसको कमेंट कर सकते हो या फिर पर्सनली टेलीग्राम पर भी कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो। तब तक के लिए थैंक यू एवरीवन एंड गुड बाय।